Hey guys, it's been a while. Sorry, I didn't. I was supposed to put a video on New Year's, but I was too lazy. So here's a pic of the things I got for today, though. That's the thing I got. Oh, don't worry about that, Sonic. That's mine. Those things are mine. I have four of those. Want one? Too bad. Uh, the other one is a bullet. Not a real bullet. It's a Nerf bullet. You can say. I got one of these. That's my first time getting those. But I realized that this was for people. Everyone thinks that this is a girl, but don't think so. Don't don't think that. Don't look and don't be look and don't look. Sorry, I can't speak today anymore. Don't say she's a girl. And look, you don't see. See? I might be wondering, she believed she had something in there, but no. I don't have it right now. And look what I found out. He's doing a JoJo pose. What the hell? Oh wait, is he move right? Mm. Mm. Buddy, get out of here. That's what I was saying. That's all for today. Oh. Anyways. There's a lot of Vaporeon fans out there. Who the hell? Who the heck you think you are? I like Vaporeon. Excuse me, what? What? Buddy, I don't know what the hell is wrong with you. What are you? You woke me up in my sleep with the freak. What the hell are you filming? Get that out of my face. Take this. What are you doing? That's not mine. If I was, why would you end up like that? What the hell? That's not even the weird part. The weird part is, my friends keep on leaving their toys in my freaking room. What the hell? Oh, don't mind the clothes. Watch this. I'm a harmonica. Anyways, Andrew told me I wanted to react to something cool, but instead he showed me memes instead. Do you ever heard of furry roleplay? It's very rare furries become your girlfriend, and then all of a sudden you realize that he was a boy. Well, fuck. But that's alright. Some men do like that, but none of them, no. They like, okay, people, if you're gay, in love with furries or boys or whatever the fuck you're thinking about, if you do, just say yes. But if you like girls with, you know what, and anyways, if you want to hang out with them, you just put them in your house. Well, unless they are your friend or something. I don't know. They like partying. No, I don't know. look at that head on your line. What is that? Oh, don't worry about that. I did not, fuck, wait for, freak, smash her, like, porn under your bed. Don't check under there, please don't. I'm gonna check under there. No, please, no. No, let me get that back. No, give me that back. Fine. I'm not checking it because that's disgusting. For one, what the hell? You didn't tell me this. Oh, don't worry about that. I did not. Okay, look, I like Vaporeon. Okay, everyone, you out there might think it is cute. That Pokemon is so hot. Freaking gonna fucking smash that damn thing. Okay. Anyways, that was a good repeat. Hold on a second. I like smelling Vaporeon. What the hell? You did, it's still recording? Yes. Oh, god damn it, no. Oh, god, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm out of here. Okay. No. Okay, guys, I gotta go. He has to go to Hornet Jail. Wait, no. I'm sorry. No, this is not where I'm gonna put you. Yeah, you are. You're going there. Ow! Anyways. Bye.